Awurade onhyira wo na ɔntena nim kyerɛ wo sɛ wama wakonya na mesa ne wadi ahyia bi. Adom ne mu ne ɛkeka ne ho. Adom ne mu ne ɛyɛ biribiara. Adom na ame ayɛ nhyira. Timothy class TV so ɛna ohumi. Na Timothy class dwumadi na Evangelist Abraham Amoate mede brɛ wo ndɛ. Yɛde sua fa need and want ho. Mehia na mepɛ no. No na yɛtoa so sɛ de mehyɛ wo ho bɔ no. Na yɛbobɔ so no, mede wo bedu mpɔmpɔnso bi a mekyerɛ wo sɛ when someone is in need of something, it means the person does not have what is in need for or what is in need of. The ohian will need a. And when he finally gets it, he becomes content with it. He becomes okay. He's satisfied with it. He cherishes what he has gotten. He values it because it has come to serve a useful purpose in his life. Nipa biya bibi hiya no sa ade ne ba na akwa mu a so ade ne mu no hweli yi because ade ne be som ne bo. Akom de no nya aduane di a ome. Ena de ono so develop the spirit of want no. Ono ade no obi dada. But ohun ade ne sa so bi. Ena o sa hia be ka dada no. Ana so obeso yi dada nso no de ohun no fufuro no e be sha anan. Na eno na me che o se Onyankopon nim nyansa. Ena o se obema ye de yakoma ehia yen. Na ne de ye pe. Because economics human wants are insatiable. It is also clear indication man yet to differentiate between God's supply of our needs and Satan's bait. Then I'm actually say obi develop the spirit of need or train your daddy. For him said Nehia de Sabeka. Whereby or some so when him say obi biana when go get the habit of want no. No, spirit of desperation and the spirit of desperation so enyini aba abewo ade a ye frɛ no impatience na impatience no so no aba abewo ade a ye frɛ no Ishmael etu ohuru sɛ wo no bi wo hia bibi a wo pɛ bibi a wo ye mi ahun asa wo hu hia wo nti no opentam de ade ne ma wo irrespective of how you take care of it ti wo de hwɛ abrante bi si so na wo di ma da ne ye ka sɛ opɛ ma kyerɛ sɛ wo hu akuya ne na wo yusu akuya wi a wo hu adwoa be foforo ma akuya be dada obetumi pa sa fa akuya ne adwoa na okohu ya no de na be ka no ho na so no de opɛ saa na mma bi nso te ɔwɔ ntoma a ohunu ntoma wo ya ɛfa yɛ ne fɛ obekɔ akoto de abegu na da kem eti da bia opɛ biribi ɛne ma aba ohunu nwi wo ya ɛne fɛ obɛsane wo ya sa akɔbɔ saa nwi no ohunu iPhone 5 a ohun the new version of iPhone 5 or iPhone 6 and also iPhone 7 obekɔ akɔpɛ da bia opɛ biribi ne ho hia sɛ ne nsa bɛka ɛkɔ obefa so a obenya de ɔmfa ho ade ba ko a ɛyɛ effect of the spirit of want no sa ade no ɔpa ɔmfa ho ne kɔ obefa so obenya no etu abrantie bia wɔyɛ mepɛ obebi ɔyɛ mepɛ no sɛ sa abrantie no bo so kura hwirehwire me kyerɛ sɛ ebewi akyi no bo so akɔda ne kwasea because kokoko butuko ɔbɛyɛ akɔkɔhwe de akɔbutuko kosua nya ne de aso ewie no bo so wɔbu ne nafo ma kyɛ no ayɛ kwasea saa so na baba wa wo so bɛyɛ mepɛ no na ni die wie ne pɛ yɛ wɔ ade mu da because ebeduru ba bi no ɛnda mo ɔyɛ mepɛ no ne mema bebree na ada eti wɔyi egu bebree eti wo sɛ ni awɔ kora amma saa so na baba wa bi nso a wɔn ma no nti wɔyɛ mepɛ ba no wo a wɔyɛ mepɛ bia no you end up creating human errors apart from the partner milema wo sɛ obi biara o develop the spirit of want no odua aba ye friend no desperation na aba wo ade a ye friend impatient na impatient aba so wo Ishmael me ba be kire wase ye no mu no obi o ye mepɛ bia no mepɛ akonto na otu kwan akɔ na okɔgye nani so mepɛ ba na okɔgye ba bia afɔ obenu no ho mepɛ ware na okɔtom na nani atutu aka ne nsɛm mepɛ adwuma na okɔwuram na ɔde ɛhyewa bɛtena no so na ne ho kyere no mepɛ sika obo se be wi akyi no na okɔtɔ amenam etu onipa bia wɔyɛ mepɛ bia no ɔtɛni up to create human errors a ɛbɛkɔse ɔman no ɛnyɛ ɔno nko a na ɛbɛkɔse no bɛtɛ bɛyɛ generational curse mame nkyerɛ wase Abraham na Awurade frɛ no na ohia ba eti ade hia na wo Abraham ehia no ye ba ti Awurade nim sa ade we na ehia no ade bi nso ehia no Awurade wo bra wa sha to because it comes to serve a purpose ade no be ade esom but e se ba at the right time eti na eba no maaye no ahun ye hia betena no so because now we're developing the spirit of want and they may replace the spirit of need. After the name here, dear, now for na come a preno, so be na banti no ope. To tie a yen a Sarah to obey. After none who ye here into not all preno. Therefore, no train beam, want to be train rabbit to call Hagar. Or call you also not call Ishmael, and to look at it. The after whole pattern, Master today. Do you see the errors that Abraham created? Abraham error will create in a very generational case. Amele, yenya enipekuo mienu a de biara da ntokwa empowerment. Ebenya abusua mienu a de biara da mentem ho ase wom. If you say, when ya otwen, amfa nani anto fom say adehia no a ehia no no, otwen wo bra ya sha to wo. Ase ni so de hu no wo bra wa sha to wo. Ase twentwen ne na ase atwen nara abade bebem. Because Abraham's need was so essential to God, but he later realizes that he cannot wait. So he wanted to go forward and get what he wants. He then develops the spirit of want to replace need. And then desperation sets in, which also yields what we call impatience. And then he brings forth Ishmael. And now you see, Ishmael is older than Isaac, 14 years. Now they begin to rub shoulders in the family. So one must go. You see the human error. So anytime that you are desperate for something, it means you have developed the spirit of want. I'll get married. Me worry. Oh, you need to wait for the right time for the need. God shall supply you your need according to his riches. Dear uhiye biano erade wo dada, and he shall supply it. But my culture say need, it's na home God supply, and then want it's home Satan's bait. It upon some day we me pa osuma fidie nyam. He uses what me no your open to trap you or the beye aboa the short drano and you akona fidie because open me peka so wonim twi so we adwuma abeto petrol wode ma ho me peba kwan be fa so obenya no umfa ho wode ma ho ebe wi achi no it becomes human error e ba be generational curse enya wo kwa ne be ha wo but be ba be ya ade a e be ha wo mamu abusuamu be sai ne ma be bokuro eti me futuo de ma meburu ne say whoever is inculcating the habit of want you end up planting the seed of desperation, which will germinate to the seed of what? Impatience, and it will yield and bring forth Ishmael, and it will become a human error which will not affect only you, but it will go a long way to affect your generation yet to come. So it is my advice to you, especially the youth, to be very careful to be able to differentiate between God's supply of our needs and Satan's bait. Because Satan does not care how you control, how you use, how you are able to manage what you say you want. As far as you want it, he will give it to you. But God always gives us what we need at the right time. When we get what we need, it comes to serve a purpose. It comes to satisfy us. We feel okay, we cherish that thing, we value that thing. What the one for a little from the head, the maker. Obia, or yet, I did not say, because if you be here, will be a nippon will nippy. It is one in second beer or so. Obi a partad, one shot or the word or dadija into a partadie. Or Ohiatadie, sorry, Ohiatadie. To Natadian and nothing over her say designer. But the own pebble bino. Or partadian or bidada. And a woman at the fufrubi, a designer wakoto. Obi hunu etiri enwi foforo a opese ne nsa ka sa enwi no. Obi hunu kaa foforo a opese ne nsa ka kaa foforo no. Obi okofa sa na be sha na emu ana okofa be ka ho. Obi ehunu oba a ohun be ma wo ya ope no. Ohunu oba wo ya ope no. O se hunu foforo oba okofa be sha nan. Tina me de phone ye example say uhunu unya phone we ya ohia ni a wono ani phone de hia so be ye call but jono no wo phone dada na open no ohia version a e wo soro sene de wo no enti you now realize say the lesson has come to teach you to understand God's supply of your need and Satan's bait. That you should realize that if you inculcate or develop the habit of want, you will end up sowing the seed of desperation, which will germinate impatience for you to bring forth Ishmael. And that when human errors are created out of this, it will not only affect you, but it becomes a generational curse. Dear Evangelist Abraham Amwatin, 0545415417. It is my prayer that you will be able to understand what I have said, that you should be able to wait for the need of your life, because God knows what is so essential in your life. That is why in his infinite wisdom was able to say obema odi hiao, not the open. Even in economics, we understand that human wants are insatiable. So if you want something, it means you can never be content, you can never be okay, you can never be satisfied, you can never value what you have, because you are always in need of a new version of what you already have. But when you develop the spirit of need, you will be able to get one thing at a time. And that one thing that you get will come to serve a purpose, to satisfy you. You will value and cherish it, and you will keep it, and you manage it well. See how they manage it. The person may yell my penny. The person may deal henny. The person may MP, the person may minister, the person may DC. Shall managing yama. Because of the me home any nyae. It's one far how I'll be keeping up. On found how be sa hweso afa onim so hwe na emom de ade na de hia no so wonya position na ohwe ni if so onim say obrey na otwen ansa na ne nseka ti ni ono so no oya mepemepe no ebu won ma meka human errors no e de anim gua se bebre e na eba binom hwere japade binom nya bayama ne e binom e de ohaw ne amane eto eye ntirima so. Because how no cool at the end of why na akofo how aba no nko na aka no aka afofo aka won na be banti ma nyina awrade won hira wo no ma won ti ase na etumi develop the habit of waiting for God for your need, because that is the supply of God's need that he wants you to understand, and not to fall into Satan's trap with his bait of want. God bless you wherever you are watching me from. We shall meet again on Timothy Class, on Timothy TV, on Timothy Class TV rather. About the own show. Only me won't come be able to my friend, but to me inviting me to your program. But to me, no matter what come be, I say spiritual, so young piebo can call me. You will discuss it, and God, through his wisdom and knowledge and spirit, will use me to bless you, will use me to help you. About the own show. We used to Christ. Amen.